So I wish I could convey to you guys exactly how crazy and insane my situation is. Because unless you've been through it, it's really hard to understand. My case is not normal, or maybe it is. I don't even know. I've never been in the courtroom before. Okay, I have been dealing with this case for a year, over a year. I started off in small claims court, where you're supposed to be able to go to have a venue that you can fairly litigate a case without an attorney, but yet in North Carolina they allow attorneys. So, and then an attorney rules on your case, which is going to bring inherent bias. So, okay, I lose that. And then I go to district court thinking, okay, well, district court's more legit and it's going to be judges. And I have this evidence that literally says that she broke the law. So obviously there's not going to be a problem, but there is. And I'm running into messed up order and bad faith attorney. Okay, I'm going to go to the Court of Appeals because that is the safeguard for a corrupt court system. And they're meant to protect it. They have to follow the rules. They set the precedent. They set the law. So they're going to follow it, right? Nope. Instead, I get 9 unconstitutional orders and then my case dismissed because I speak up against it. I can't even get the judges' names to, which is insane. Like, why are you hiding behind a anonymous order? Like, shouldn't you be proud of the order if you didn't do anything wrong? During this, I am writing to the North Carolina General Assembly. They're refusing to do anything about it. My case, the judges are being defended by the Department of Justice that literally filed false information that I called out on. And the federal court is required to actually order the names of those judges to be released so I can name them in my complaint, because right now I can't do anything without the names. But they just ignoring it for 3 months now. And these defendants are banking on the fact that I'll get the case dismissed on a Rule 12B motion, because I was able to argue that back, just filing extensions of times for an answer. I can only file a writ of mandamus, which if I go to the Court of Appeals, which is the Fourth Circuit Court, in the last 2 years from the research I've done, they've been not granted. In the last 10 years, 1 writ of mandamus on a requested TRO and a motion to amend. This is not supposed to be how our court system works. I'll tell you right now, once I get done with this case, my next thing is going to be writing reform laws. I do have a petition at change.org/NC Courts Reform. I would love for you guys to sign it. I'm not going to give up, but I would love the support.